Support the channel through the eBay link in the description, you mealy-mouthed little bastard.
Celebrity voice impersonator.
Party people in the place to be. What's going on? It's me. It's time for an unboxing. This one comes to us from our friends over at, I forgot to cover it up, here we go, T Fury. Yes, it's T Fury time. I don't think I've ever gotten a T Fury shirt. I've gotten a bunch of other shirts, but I don't think I've ever gotten a T Fury shirt. Look at this. So we got a little gray area here, right, for you to cut along, right? So this one, I saw the shirt before, and not only did I not have the money for it, but I was like, ah, that's cool, but I don't really have the money for it. Let's, you know, maybe if I see it again, I'll get it. And then because of the events that happened recently, I went and searched for it and was able to find it. And that shirt is... Yes. Yeah. You see that? See that? The doves cry, the rain's purple. It's the whole thing. So I'm gonna go try this on, see how it fits, and I'll be right back. Where are you? Answer me, motherfucker! See, that's from Purple Rain. See, and I kicked my shoe off even, and I didn't miss a beat. Yeah, I like this. I got this shirt when I realized I didn't have anything purple, and they were playing Purple Rain at the local art theater here in Long Beach, and I had to go see it. And I had no fucking purple, none, like none. I had to combine red and blue, and I still didn't have purple. But yeah, look at this. I like it. I kind of like the fit of it. It fit the fabric itself feels nice. It's a little, you know, I just haven't been to the gym in a long time, but I'm gonna remedy that tomorrow as I'm taping this. But yeah, I like it. It feels nice and soft, and the decal on here is pretty good too. Like it doesn't feel like it's gonna chip off all that much, and it's a nice. It's a definite XL. It ain't an XL that's really a large. I don't know if it'll shrink or not. I don't think it will. It doesn't necessarily feel like the material that shrinks, but I like it. It's pretty good. Party people. And it came quickly. It came pretty quickly. So I'm gonna, you know, go ahead and suggest to you, party people, you go ahead and you hit up T Fury when you can. My experience so far is with the one order is a good one. So go ahead and hit them up if you feel like it, if it inclines you, and tell them that's the real 469. Since you party people, have you dealt with T Fury before? Huh? So I've seen some of the t-shirts that advertise on Facebook. They don't always have the best reputation. There was one I was going to get. I was like in the process of ordering it, and then I looked. Oh, it was an Adventures in Babysitting t-shirt. And I was sitting in a bar in Vegas at Christmas, because Christmas in Vegas is dead. But I was sitting there in a bar in Vegas at Christmas, and I was gonna do it. And as I clicked on the thing, I saw all the comments underneath it that scared me away from it. So when I saw this one, and I'm like, oh, I don't know about this one, but I went and I ordered it, and I'm pretty happy with it so far. Hopefully it don't shrink on me before I shrank on it. Party, well, tell me what you think about this down there in the comment section. Give me your thoughts on the purple one prints. This is my first piece of purple anything in fucking purple used to be my favorite color, and then it wasn't, and then it became green and black, and so that's why I don't have any fucking purple anymore. Plus it just kind of fell out of favor. Like, I don't know why you're wearing purple except Prince. So, but I like this. This works on a couple different levels. On so many different levels. I dig it. Probably tell me what you think down there in the comment section. Like, share, subscribe. Hit those links in the description. Helps out the party. Doesn't cost you anything more than you were already gonna spend. Also, go get yourself some merch. Go get yourself some merch. Go get yourself some merch. The party favors are also down there in the description on your way out. Go click that link. Help keep the party going. And that, party people, ain't bad. Boom. Boom. Boom.